car quits. Fall! You're watching Mafia TV. We film the hits, we show the real. For the drivers and promoters too. We bring the derby world to you. Still on still, no apologies. This is life in the derby scene.
It's gonna be a Ford. Old Chevys. Who's gonna pull it off tonight? The last feature was awesome. Can't wait to watch this one. Can Ronnie pull off back to back? Which would be crazy. Crazy. Well, that car sounds pretty good. Hopefully it's cooled down a little bit. Everybody else is cooled way down. We're going to use all of these cars up. Remember, this is our heavier class. This is going to be a good feature. Crowd, here we go. Let's count down the final feature of the night. Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Remember, $450 if you can roll over to 4RD. $450 if you roll on his list. $1,500 going to the winner. Remember, the 13B is still a little hot. Still a little hot. They had her on the top sheet. Instigator looking good, taking his time, he knows he got money. That price to the left, it looks like. These dollars. 99 himself, I think. The back of that baby blue caddy looks beautiful. The old line looks better. Look at the tires now. Ronnie's coming up on the 4RD. Ronnie's in trouble in the 940. Oh, shit, tires shot by Charles. He's 2 on 1 right here. You gotta get out of there or start laying it down. Instigator still using the backbone here. Almost 57 meters. Good tire shot here by the 13B. He's running the column shifter on that 13B. I can't believe it. Good battle here. 4 GM. No, 3 GM replacement. Both are looking good in that old Pontiac. Everybody spread to a corner. Both are carrying the leg up. The 70 and the 13B working together against. Get a corner shot there. Twisted, laying a nice corner there. Got him bent. This is a great battle here. Definitely 2-on-2 here, folks. The brown and baby blue are working together. The 13B. Pressure broke the motor mount. The instigator's got to break the motor mount. Motor's walking down. He's in trouble. Good battle here, folks. Good battle. I got the 13 and 70 working together. Instigator and Twisted together, Ronnie all by himself. Ronnie's been at the firewall for sure. The back of that Pontiac is so much life in it. Great shot by both of them. Twisted with a good shot. Ronnie trying to get it fired back up. Shoulders next to each other right here. This is fun. We're going to be one. Good shot. Good battle here. It's going to take a lot to bend both of them. Woo! Great shot by Shoulders. Locked up front tire on the 830. Got a locked up front tire. Wow, great tire shot by Twisted. Woo! Yeah! Good battle here. Twisted laying it down. What a battle here, folks. Twisted stalled. Twisted trying to get fired back up. Twisted gets the fire. Twisted stalled again. Two on the top versus two on the bottom. Both must stalled it. Both must stalled it. Twisted is getting hot. Both are trying to fire it back down. What is happening here? 13B spinning in his rail. Fire, 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 folks. Fire. Hold up. We got a fire. Hold up. It's still burning. Now remember, folks, he can get back in it and try to fire it again. He's not done yet. Fireman, let's get this out quick. Let's get this out quick so he can keep going, please. Put a little hustle in it. We're into the money right here. We're into the money. There's 4 drivers. 3 of them are getting paid. You're doing great, man. You've been driving great. 13B has been driving great. Both will look great. The baby blue Cadillac, a Twisted, is dogged right out. His tires are up against his firewall. He is really struggling. Instigator looks good. Both of them look the best. Both of them look awesome on there. 13B got it fired back up. Now remember, folks, if he catches on fire again, he's done. He cannot catch on fire again. We're down to 3 cars still on the clock. Dollar, and the 13B out of Ohio against 2 local boys.
Bachman got out.
Big thanks to the fire department for running on that. We appreciate it, guys. These guys are into the funny, so we appreciate it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Back to action. We're down to 3, folks. That blue Chrysler, that brown Chrysler's got a broken motor mount on the driver's side. This baby blue caddy is twisted. I think it's all done. Yeah, he's all done. He's finished. We're down to 2, folks. 13B in the old sector versus a 67 Newport. Both of them out. Who's gonna pull it out here? Put pressure on him, he's got him sideways. Right now 13B is in a better spot. He's gonna try working him to the wall. He's gonna try working him to the wall. 13B spinning in his rim. The back of the 830 looks awesome also. It rolled nice. These springs come back around. It looks nice in the back. 13B really can't move much. Instigator's got to get him sideways. Yes, yes, yes. That's how you close the derby right here. Get him sideways. 830 is your final hit right here. You want to get on a guy sideways at the end. He's got him right here. He's backing away. Final hit is the 830, the Instigator right now. Is he gonna come for another shot or is he gonna take that money home? He knows he's got that money. Again, the last hit is the 830.